This tutorial is how to edit the full width slider, which is this feature right here that you see with the picture, the great quote, and the purchase tickets on your website. This feature also can be a revolving slider. While we're not currently using it as one because we're just doing Chewing on Beckett, if you added more than one slide to this, it will begin revolving. Just like the slider feature that we will have for the Fall Festival Place. All right, so I'm going to go to Edit Page. And right here at the very top, you will see Full Width Slider. Let's go ahead and edit this. And you can see here is where we have a slide already. For the sake of the tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and add another one. So we're going to add a new slide so we can go through all the things. Here is where I would put, whatever you want to be in that big, bold white. For instance, we have the quote. So right now I'm just going to put quote. Great. And our button text, maybe it's purchase tickets or reserve your seats or whatever you'd like to say. Our button URL, where you want the button to go to, so that all makes sense. Now this background image is going to be that full picture that you see. So right now, I'm going to scroll down my media library. Scrolling down. Right now, it is currently this picture. You can see that it's a nice long picture that a lot of black has been built onto so that your text can sit on it. And you'll see here the pixel dimensions are 1200 by 450. That is how Cat was building them. So I'm going to set this as my background image. Great, it is loaded there. Now an interesting thing about this is while this is our background image, the text, to get it to sit on this right hand side, we need to tell it that there's something right here. To do that, we are going to scroll on down. We're going to upload another image, but we're going to search our media library here and type in empty. And here is an empty picture. I'm going to set that as our slide image. What that's going to do is that's going to force our text into the right-hand section to appear on that black area that we've pre-designated for our words. Everything else looks great here. I'm scrolling down. We want to make sure our text is in light since it's going to be sitting on the dark. Great. All this looks awesome. And here we can add any additional verbiage that we want. What you should note is that anything that you add into this content box will sit in between the white words that you have designated as the header, which currently we have as the quote, and on top of the button. So whatever is in this box will be in between the header and the button. So I'm just going to do this. And for fun, I'm going to go ahead and bump this up to heading 1. And I'm going to custom and set it with our pink E00885. Okay, great. I'm going to go ahead and save that. And let's go look at it. Oh, one other thing I'm going to point out is you'll notice I didn't take our main slide out there as our website is live. I've just added this for the test purposes. What you're going to note is that this one will be first and quotes will now be second. It will also be rotating because we have more than one. When we only have one slide assigned, it doesn't rotate. But as soon as we start adding more, it starts rotating. I think that's everything. Okay, great. Let's go ahead, save and exit, update, and let's go check it out. So you'll notice here is our very first slide. Great. Here is our next slide, quotes, test, and purchase tickets. That all looks great. All right, that is how you add a slide. I'm going to come back here and I'm going to take that slide away now. So I'm going to edit and I'm going to get rid of that guy. And we're now back to a stagnant slider because we only have one slider assigned to it. That's how you edit the slider module.